What's going on, everyone? We are at Imogene Pass. We're at the bottom of the trail right now, and man, it is freaking gorgeous. We are so excited to do this. I think this is one of the second highest trails in Colorado, if I'm not mistaken. But we're just getting started. It's just me and my dad in the 4runner. So this trail, we're starting in Telluride, and we are going to work our way to Ouray, where the trail ends. It should be a solid couple hours, 2.5, 3 hours of driving on this off-road trail, so it should be fun. But we're excited. This is my first time doing this trail, so I honestly do not know what to expect, but I've looked at pictures, I've watched videos, and it's supposed to be beautiful, and I'm super excited. This has been like a bucket list trail for me for a long time, and we're finally out here. It's gonna be cool, y'all. You excited?
Oh man, very excited. Ready to go.
All right, let's do it. Imogene Pass was originally built in 1870 for gold mining operations in between Telluride and Ouray. Coming in at 13,117 feet, it is the second highest pass in Colorado. With its challenging obstacles, beautiful views, rivers, waterfalls, and abandoned mining towns, Imogene Pass is one of the top-rated trails in the state. Being able to explore such a beautiful place, full of so much history with the remains of past lives scattered throughout the trails, is authentically a one-of-a-kind experience that we will never forget. Now, y'all take a quick ride with us as we explore the abandoned mining town of Tomboy.
After exploring and admiring the once-was town of Tomboy, we made our way up the steep, rocky terrain of the Savage Basin, passing the 13,000-foot mark on the trail into the breathtaking peak of Imogene Pass. Now we make our way down the opposite side of the pass in the steep, rugged terrain of the Imogene Basin. This area was a bit more challenging with some narrow, rocky roads, tight switchbacks, and larger rock obstacles to crawl through. This was definitely a fun area for someone looking for some four-wheel drive action.
She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing.
As we made our way into the piney forest at the end of the trail, the amazing views and peaceful sounds of Imogene Creek running through the mountains was the perfect way to end our adventure. One of my favorite things about this trail had to have been the way the terrain changes throughout it. We drove through red rock mountainsides, snow-capped granite mountains, steep limestone hills, and now the piney forest with a beautiful creek running through. Now I can truly see why this is considered one of the most beautiful trails in Colorado.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall.
All right, we are at the end of the trailhead. Man, that was I don't even know how to explain it. That was the most beautiful, most fun trail that I've ever been on in my life. It wasn't very challenging if you're not scared of heights and you have a four-wheel drive where you can put your, your truck into 4-low. As long as you have 4-low, you'll be good on that. Big thing is make sure that your brakes are good up there, for sure. But that's all we got for this one. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. What do you think? Was it fun?
It's beautiful, man. Blast.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll catch y'all next time.
Hello, how are you? I heard you're on the moon. Tell us why you went up there. It's very strange of you. Now we all know that you're the kind of person who must find the things that keep you up at night.